Zoe Life, please like and subscribe. Thank you. She's standing right on top of Rocky footprint.
Yeah, still on there. And that's the art museum right there. Big, man. A lot of stuff in there. Yep. And that's the school museum. That's in front of the art museum. We was in the back. Now this is the art museum in front of the art museum. And this is just how it looks like. Yeah. Okay, you see, now I go all the way on top over there, like 204 Spring. That's where Rocky Footsteps is. And that's the art museum. Yes, that's the Rocky statue. Yeah, I got. Oh, these people. Yeah, but you can't go do your own star now. You gotta do the main star. See that? They come in small. That's Rocky's statue right there. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment, okay? I really appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you like it.
And come back for more. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Support your boy, Zoe Life. Have a wonderful day. Check out my YouTube, my Instagram, and my Facebook and Twitter. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 100K.